Alright guys, today we're going to work on taking off this rear panel right here, and I'm going to show you how to get started. So let's grab a screwdriver, Phillips. You pull this back, and right underneath there's a screw right here. Pull that out. Set that down, you're not going to need that anymore. And then this lever right here, just need to take that and pull that off. It's just held in there like by pressure. So you just put it back on like that and pull it off like that. And once that's out of the way, you can open up the tailgate. So, sorry my tailgate's so dirty. Vince asked me sporadically to make this video, and I'm very dirty because I load a lot of stuff in and out of here and it gets dirty quite quickly. So we just got to take this plastic panel off. If you just reach underneath the bottom and start pulling it up. Pull over to this side. There we go. We got it all the way off. Let's see. Oh, the other thing you want to do is pull this off. I forgot about that. You want to get your hand underneath here. Can you see that okay? And you want to pull this trim out. It ain't going nowhere without this trim. I forgot about that. So just come across and pull this trim out. There you go. Now that we got the bottom out, now you just take it. Okay. You want to pick it up just to relieve the slack on this. We'll do the same thing on the other side. I'm sure you can't see this, but you pick it up over that, and then boom, comes right off. So, you can see the underside of it. You just have regular white clips across the whole back of it, and then it holds on by underneath this lip here. Can you see that? Underneath the lip. So it's just these white clips and underneath the lip. That's everything that's holding it on. And he was talking about tightening up these screws here. So then you got access to them. They're just 3 Phillips screws there. So you can see on mine, I've put some of the sound deadening material on there, which really gives it a tight feel and a nice solid throw. I did all around this, and I even did up on this lip right here, just to make it a little bit tighter when I did it. So, all right, let's throw it all back together. One of the first things, you just want to get it up over that lip right there, and pull the cable underneath there. Whoop. Oh, you got stuck. We'll do the same thing over here. Make sure we got this lip in there. Pull the cable around. Make sure we're down all the way. Another thing we got to do is, hold on, we gotta pull one side out again. Gotta pull one side out. The other thing you gotta do while you're doing this is make sure that your lever here is going up and through the panel here where it needs to go before you get this all on. So you come up around here, flip this cable, make sure it's all down. And just make sure it's all good. We lift it back up. Let's put this lip back in here. I want to make sure we're on the outside all the way across. Okay, we got that seal all correctly on there. Now we take our little lever piece, put that back in. You got your screw that I can't hold on to. I put that right in there, and then make sure everything works. It's all pressed down, and I'll show you my sound. There's a thing in here that still vibrates. Did you hear that? I tried to fix that too. So when you have your tailgate piece off, try to fix that little bar that comes across. It's supposed to sit on a little pad, but it doesn't work. So you get that annoying noise. Another thing I don't like about my Element, it's rattly. So there you go. Make sure this one closes. And we're good to go. So thanks for tuning in. I hope that helped you, Vince. And peace, guys.